Hey, what's up guys? Hope you guys are all doing well. So, currently in Arkansas, we're sort of recovering from a snowstorm that we recently had. We got about, I think, 9 to 10 inches, and as you can tell, most of it's starting to melt now. But for the last 2 days, it's been snowing a good amount, which I don't know if any of you guys are familiar with Arkansas, but we usually don't get weather like this. And so I haven't been driving the 10th gen or anything. It's just been sitting here under the carport. And so I guess really quick, I can give you guys a cold start. I'll probably actually get my other tripod so it just isn't in the snow. So very recently, I actually got this tripod. It's a 360 tripod. It's actually pretty cool. I used to have a Insta360 X4, I think it was called, but I ended up returning it because I wanted to use this camera, which is the Osmo Pocket 3. And I had gotten this tripod with it, but when I went to return the Insta360, I ended up returning this as well. So it's pretty cool. You can extend it, and as well as it still be a tripod and use the base. So pretty cool. So the cold start on the car really isn't that loud, especially since it still has the stock exhaust. It's just the catless downpipe. But yeah, the car's just been here, and I guess we can go look at the Miata. It wasn't as lucky. It was in the snow, so we could see all the snow that's on that car. So here's the Miata. When it started snowing, I did try to clean off some of the snow on it, but as you guys can tell, it still has a good amount on it. I opened the pop-ups just so, I don't know. I don't know why I did that actually. I guess I just wanted to see what it looked like with the pop-ups up. I thought I had left something to clean up the snow, but I guess I didn't. Oh well, I guess I'll just try to clean off the snow by hand. I'll probably let this car warm up a little bit as well. I guess I'll let you guys hear a cold start on this car. This car does still have the complete stock exhaust. If you guys have ever heard a stock one, it was actually my first time hearing a stock Miata exhaust with this car. have this little box that I got. I do have this little box that I got from a umbrella that I got a little while ago, and that's what I was using when it first started snowing to clean off my girlfriend's car, and that's probably what I'm gonna do, just to clean off the Miata. So here's how the Miata looks now with most of the snow cleaned off. Honestly didn't take as much time as I thought. Probably since it's a little bit warmer out, it wasn't too bad to clean it off. But yeah. So actually at my apartment we're near the river, and it looks actually pretty nice with all the snow covering. So I went to go take the Miata around the block, and it actually went pretty well for the most part, besides when I got back right here. The car did have a little bit of trouble getting back into this spot since the snow and ice is pretty high still over here. But for the most part, all of the roads and everything, the snow's all melted, and if it wasn't melted, it was for the most part plowed. But yeah, the Miata probably isn't the best snow car, especially since it's rear-wheel drive. The 10th gen honestly isn't the best snow car either, so I think sometime in the future we're probably gonna need to look into maybe getting a truck or something that can handle the snow. But I guess we'll see. Hopefully next year, or if it snows again. Usually it doesn't snow this early, at least here in Arkansas. For the past few years it's usually been snowing closer to like in February, mid-February usually. But yeah, this is some of the snow we got. Most of it's melted. It was a lot higher than this for sure. A lot of people in just this area's forums, they posted pictures of them measuring the snow, and it was measuring out to around 8 to 10 inches. And so yeah, that's definitely not a normal amount of snow that we normally get around here, but it's pretty cool to see. It's definitely different from our normal 2 to 3 inches, and that's on a heavy winter. Yeah, this is definitely the most snow that I've ever seen and that I've heard that we've gotten in a long time. I don't think it's ever snowed like this, especially since I was born. But yeah, I guess that's it for outside right now. I guess we'll see where this vlog takes us. I'm not all too sure what we're going to be doing today. I think we're supposed to be going to Walmart later today to probably go get some water, and I guess we'll go from there.